Hello guys, this is just a quick video I wanted to do in a long time. I want to replace those struts for the trunk. They're not holding on very well, probably because they already gone, or maybe because of the spoiler I have in here. What I used to hold the trunk with this tripod that I have there, but I don't like it, so I finally decided to replace them after a long time, and I bought this new Struts. This is the brand. Bought it from Amazon. Read through the reviews. They claim that these are pretty good and strong, so we'll see. We're gonna install them pretty quick, and I'll show you the process. Okay, here's just a clip right here. You're gonna pop it with a screwdriver like so, and the same for the top. So you can see that's the clip right there. You insert the screwdriver through. Oh, that's strong. Even one is holding to the door, to the trunk. That's crazy.